So this is our second stop on the dinosaur trail. It is called the... What is this one called?
The Horse Thief Canyon.
Horse Thief Canyon. So it's literally on the other side of where we were earlier. It's windy, so we're just gonna do the walk around and do the mini hike.
We're gonna hike up onto one of the rocks.
Horse Thief Canyon, Bleriot Valley earned its name during the early settler years when reaching was... I'm not gonna read the whole thing. We're gonna go. You were looking through your binoculars. How was it?
Oh, the view was beautiful.
Oh yeah. And we took that ferry. That was a cool experience.
Yeah, but I haven't been on a ferry before.
Yeah, but this one was a little different, right?
Yeah.
So I know we're gonna hike down. I guess we'll wait for... Oh, I see people going down. So are we going down here?
Yeah.
Okay. So before I do that, let's walk around.
I have already walked around.
You did, not me. I was in the car.
You have to make sure not to sit there.
This is so cool.
Those might be rattlesnake dens. You only find the rattlesnakes in dens.
Wow.
It's very
This is
steep.
cool. Well, I don't know which way is better to go.
In there. Because the lady that told us it was only 5 minutes, she came up from there.
From here? This one looks a little tough. Sorry. Yeah. See already 2 people.
There was a whole family standing on the side. Be careful.
Thanks.
Don't.
Looks like you can even go all the way to the top of that. Oh yeah, I think these guys are going over there. Whoa, this is scary. Here, hold his hand. Wow.
I know, it's so beautiful. Whoa. It would be scary.
Yeah. Whoa, this is like a steep.
Because the lady, we didn't see her going down, but we saw her go down one of the rocks and then come up. Where do you think?
Alright, next is gonna be the hike, but we'll wait for your mom to come too. Alright, we're gonna go on top of that where those 2 guys are standing. And the most easiest way I found, or what looks... Wait, let me go first, guys. Amelia, you can be in the middle. Okay, hold my hands. Mom, watch your step. Amelia?
I wanted to go down the other path.
No, this is much more easier and looks safer. Yes.
I think the other one was okay.
No, that's too steep.
This one seems too steep. Whoa.
Careful.
Whoa.
I'm here. Come on. You can do this, sunshine.
Help me.
Come.
Me.
Step.
Just walk them.
Yeah, come on.
2.
You okay?
Yeah.
If not, try to walk on the
Mom, you too. Careful.
Steady.
This is fine. See? Just a little
Once
bit
we
more.
get down here,
Rock.
just remember, when there's down, there's up.
All the junk that we've been eating for the last 4 days of driving, we're gonna burn them out. Watch your step, you're fine. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Okay, so we are
Hold my hands,
hiking
hold my hands
down
at all
to
times.
get up to that mountain.
Just take a step down.
Seems like
Amelia,
a
come on,
very
you're braver than this.
I know.
but a little
Come over here.
I'm not feeling the bravest
Come, it's okay, daddy's here.
today.
Bingo.
I've got my
Bingo. See, now it's gonna get easier. See, now it should be fairly straight. Even though my knees are hurting me already.
What? I'm not
Yeah.
kidding.
You're younger than me. I'm an old man.
Younger.
Come on.
Fine.
See, a lot more people are going. Oh, you can even go up to the other one too.
I know. A family was up. The lady was up on one, and the family was up on another one.
Oh yeah.
I think going up will be much easier. I think I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only down we need to hold somebody's hand now. It's not that. No, it's not. I'm good.
So people are coming to the other side as well. You okay, boo boo?
Yeah.
Yep. Careful.
I saw that. Don't worry. I'm not only looking in front, I'm looking at the ground too, so you don't trip. This hike is gonna be nothing like the one we're gonna do at the national parks.
Oh yeah. If anything, this is a little taste of what's coming.
So it looks like we're practicing. And get ready. Actually, I think some are easy peasy downhill. Hey! Careful of that.
Yeah.
How am I gonna go across it?
You just have to jump.
Jump. I don't. I think I can.
Amelia, come on. You can jump. Look how small this is. Come on.
I'm scared.
Hold my hands. Let's go.
Like Mommy said, when there's a down, there's always gonna be an up,
Yep.
and that's gonna be good.
So just to give you guys some perspective, we were right over there. Let's go, Amelia. Oh,
These are my star runners. They're called star runners.
actually, you know what? Let's go. Take picture.
Come. Wow, it's beautiful.
I know. I feel pretty tired already.
But I'm not. I'm only a tiny, teensy bit. I thought we were gonna go up.
We will. Oh, look at that. What is that?
Good.
Yeah. So She does not like coconut water, and she's like, how can you drink that? And I'm like, I was born in an island. And what did you say for that?
I am not born from an island.
You're not. We are. Okay, we're gonna attempt this
There was a tiny
climb.
hole. There was a tiny space that wasn't actually a hole. This one, and it gave me a boost.
Okay, let's go, Sunshine. I'm gonna get you to go first.
Why? You go first.
No, I want to be behind you. That's why. Go.
But why?
In case you fall or anything, and Daddy will be right behind you. Okay, yeah, follow the path. Follow the path.
Daddy, don't. No. Finally,
We
did it.
did it. Guys, let's go. Come on. Whoa.
How did they get up there?
We are gonna go up. Let them come down. Oh, they're coming down. Next is gonna be hard. Whoa, there are a bunch of kids. That does not look safe.
I'm glad I asked to hike here. It was not Mom's idea at all. We saw. But then
Okay,
I
so
thought,
they're going down that way, so we can go up. Come on, come in front of me.
we'll have to go up. But it looks a bit.
That's it, Sunshine. Go, put your leg up. All right, here, this way. We reached the top. We achieved.
We finally got up here. Where?
This is not on. It's over now.
We did it.
Hi, Lucky Mama.
Guys, can I hear celebration for
Yay!
making
Our car's right there.
our car is one of those over there.